Ever wondered how some of your favorite shops, restaurants, or even golf courses manage their day-to-day operations so smoothly? What's the magic behind the seamless checkout process, the perfectly timed inventory updates, and the personalized customer experience? Well, there's a good chance Lightspeed is playing a role. But the question is, just who is using Lightspeed? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Lightspeed is a powerful cloud-based point-of-sale and e-commerce platform that caters to a diverse range of businesses. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Its flexibility is its strength. Think of it as a digital Swiss Army knife for businesses, offering a suite of tools designed to streamline operations, boost sales, and enhance customer engagement. So, who exactly is wielding this digital tool? Let's start with retail. Imagine your local boutique clothing store. They're likely using Lightspeed to manage their inventory, track sales, and even personalize customer profiles. Lightspeed allows them to see at a glance which items are popular, which need restocking, and even which customers have purchased specific items in the past, enabling targeted promotions and personalized recommendations. This isn't just limited to clothing stores. Think about bookstores, gift shops, even hardware stores. Any retail business with a physical storefront can benefit from Lightspeed's robust features. But Lightspeed's reach extends far beyond brick-and-mortar stores. In today's digital age, e-commerce is king, and Lightspeed offers a seamless integration between online and offline sales. This is crucial for businesses that want to reach a wider audience and offer a truly omnichannel experience. A customer might browse products online, add them to their cart, and then complete the purchase in-store, or vice versa. Lightspeed ensures that all this data is synced and managed in one central platform, giving businesses a complete view of their customer interactions. Now, let's shift gears and talk about restaurants. Lightspeed isn't just for retail. It's a game changer for the hospitality industry too. Imagine a bustling restaurant during peak hours. Orders are flying in, tables are turning, and the staff needs to be on top of everything. Lightspeed's restaurant POS system helps streamline this process. It allows servers to take orders quickly and accurately, send them directly to the kitchen, manage table layouts, process payments, and even track inventory in real time. This not only improves efficiency, but also enhances the dining experience for the customer. From fine dining establishments to quick service cafes, Lightspeed is helping restaurants of all sizes run smoother and more profitably. And the applications don't stop there. Think about golf courses. Yes, even golf courses use Lightspeed. They can use it to manage tee times, pro shop sales, food and beverage services, and even membership management. It's a comprehensive solution that helps them manage all aspects of their operations from a single platform. This highlights just how versatile Lightspeed is. It's not limited to one specific industry. Its adaptability makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of businesses. Another sector where Lightspeed shines is health and wellness. Spas, salons, and fitness studios often rely on Lightspeed to manage appointments, track client information, process payments, and sell products. Imagine a busy salon. They need to keep track of appointments for multiple stylists, manage client preferences, and process payments efficiently. Lightspeed simplifies these tasks, allowing salon owners to focus on providing excellent service to their clients. So, we've talked about retail, restaurants, golf courses, and health and wellness businesses. But the list goes on. Lightspeed is used by businesses of all sizes, from small independent shops to large multi-location chains. It's used by businesses that are just starting out and by established businesses that are looking to scale. Its cloud-based nature makes it accessible and affordable for businesses of all sizes. One of the key reasons why so many different types of businesses use Lightspeed is its customizability. It's not a rigid system. It can be tailored to meet the specific needs of each business. Whether you're a small boutique or a large restaurant chain, Lightspeed can be configured to fit your unique workflow. This flexibility is a major selling point for businesses that are looking for a solution that can grow with them. Another factor that contributes to Lightspeed's popularity is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those who are not tech-savvy. This reduces the learning curve for employees and allows businesses to get up and running quickly. Lightspeed also offers excellent customer support. so businesses can get help whenever they need it. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I understand the types of businesses, but can you give me some specific examples? While publicly disclosing specific client names can be tricky due to confidentiality agreements, you can often find testimonials and case studies on the Lightspeed website. These stories highlight how different businesses have used Lightspeed to achieve their goals, whether it's increasing sales, streamlining operations, or improving customer satisfaction. A quick search online will also reveal many businesses that proudly mention using Lightspeed on their own websites or social media channels. So, to recap, who uses Lightspeed? The answer is a diverse range of businesses, including retail stores of all kinds, from clothing boutiques to bookstores, restaurants, cafes, and bars, from quick service to fine dining, golf courses and other recreational facilities, spas, salons, and fitness studios, e-commerce businesses looking for omnichannel integration, and many more. Essentially, any business that needs a powerful and flexible point-of-sale and e-commerce platform can benefit from Lightspeed. It's a versatile tool that helps businesses of all sizes manage their operations, boost sales, and enhance customer engagement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.